Welcome to the Mandani Bay Show Gallery. The Mandani Bay Show Gallery is a 1,500 square meter exhibit area that showcases the bold vision of Mandani Bay. Located in Mandaue City, Mandani Bay is strategically located along the Mactan Channel in Metro Cebu, Philippines. Mandani Bay is a premium mixed-use community that is built around a lifestyle of connectivity where retail and commercial spaces blend seamlessly with living spaces. A 300-meter green promenade that cuts through the development center and a boardwalk with a 500-meter water frontage truly defines Mandani Bay as an exceptional lifestyle experience. With expansive podium blocks interconnected by footbridges above ground and exclusive parking systems underground, Mandani Bay provides complete convenience that allows you to easily do so much more. Our show gallery is also equipped with an audio-visual room. A maximum of 6 people at a time are allowed in the audio-visual room to further assure you of your safety. Now let's have a look at our move-in ready designer living spaces. Studio Plus Unit. Our Studio Plus units are fully furnished with expertly selected appliances and features. One-bedroom unit. Our one-bedroom units are also fully furnished, with enough room for its residents to add to their personal style and transform it into their dream home. Two-bedroom suite unit. Our two-bedroom units are semi-furnished, offering even more room for customizability. Seating and discussion areas are also available in our show gallery. And throughout the day, we make sure that our spaces and amenities are kept clean and sanitized for your peace of mind. See our vision come to life, the first gallery in the country that truly meets global standards. A space that represents the bold vision of Mandani Bay. Experience your future here at the Mandani Bay Show Gallery.